This is the fourth facade we are working on. I see great potential in it to be redesigned with creativity, so let's not waste the time. So first things first, like always, I start with drawing the base of my design canvas. Usually I draw entrance and garage door first, and then I go for windows. For this facade, I wish to use vertical concrete panels and convert some of these panels into vegetation frames. I love greenery in facade design, so in order to achieve that, I'd like to draw these vertical divisions. Now it's time to draw the panels. I'd like to have a variety of different sizes, so there won't be a specific model for these frames. Some of these are going to be vegetation boards and others are going to be concrete panels. Now it's greenery's turn. I choose some of these panels to convert them into green frames. I start off by these panels next to my entrance to make a positive vibe for my audience. So now randomly I choose some of these rectangles to draw the details of my greenery on them. Next step is to draw the window frames. And now I start the coloring phase. This level helps our design to become more tangible. Then I draw 4 points for each of these concrete panels to indicate that these are exposed concretes. And yeah, it's gonna take some time, but it's really worth it. Then I write the names of my materials, and now let's see the final result.